How to install applications not available in your country. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to install applications not available in your country. So if you're also getting such problem or such issue on your Google Play Store, where you can simply not able to download or install any of the applications which might not be available in your region, so to download it or install it, basically you just have to use your provided VPN service or VPN applications. So in most of the Samsung devices, if you are also using same, you can go for the Max VPN, which is the built-in VPN in the side of the Samsung mobile devices. So you can basically connect it from over here to your desired location. You can also change it accordingly, and you might as well need a upgrade or premium version to use a customizable services of the different location. So make sure you choose the default one, as you don't have to pay a penny. So once you open that, you can basically restart your Play Store or even change your region, country and region inside your mobile device to actually let your Play Store knows that you are using it from that you are searching for the particular application from the different location rather than the one in which it was not available. Or you can also actually search in for any other VPN or applications which were not previously downloading or installing on your device. And likewise, you can also use actually other VPNs which are available for free on Play Store. So you can basically search it for VPN for free, and you can use it absolutely free to download any of the applications which are not available on your region. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.